Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to prove this one using propositions and axioms. Here it says for all x comma y belongs to real number, for xy is less than or equal to x plus y whole square. Okay, first thing is we are going to use the proposition number 17. Proposition number 17 says that 0 is less than or equal to x minus y square. If you want to know the propositions, I made videos on that, you can go ahead and check them. And also I put the list of axioms in the description, and also I made a video on the axioms. I put that one also in the description, so you can watch that too. Now let's go ahead and continue this one. Here 0 is less than or equal to x minus y whole square. So if you expand this one, you are going to get x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now since we are trying to prove 4xy, we have to add 4xy both sides. So 0 plus 4xy is less than or equal to x square plus y square less than or equal to not less than or equal to, because I'm adding 4xy both sides. Here we have minus 2xy already, and we are adding 4xy both sides. And if you simplify this one, this is gonna be just 4xy, and here we will get x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 4xy, that's going to be just 2xy. And this is like 4xy, and if you factor this one again like this is going to be just x plus y whole square. This is an expansion of this one. Okay, so this is what we want to prove. If we want to prove 4xy is less than or equal to x plus y square, we proved this one. And that's how we do that. And if you are trying to learn discrete mathematics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.